Welcome back to Prediction 360 and let's talk about yesterday's match. CSK has their first points in the IPL 2021 comprehensive performance as they won the match by 6 wickets. Deepak Chahar came in and bowled brilliantly as within the first 6 overs, 5 of PBK's batsmen were back in the hut. CSK batsmen took their time in the middle and won the match with few unnecessary wickets in the end, but still a great win for Dhoni, especially on his 200th match for CSK. Let's get on with the match number 9, MI versus SRH. Professor V's tip of the day.
Simply Juma's tip of the day. The timing of the bet makes a huge difference. For example, if you are thinking of fantasy cricket betting, then you need to create your dream 11 a day before the start of the match. If you wait till the last minute to select your team, you will miss out on the most money-making bets, as that is the ones which will get filled up first.
Team news. SRH has started their IPL with 2 losses in a row and is now the only team in IPL 2021 to have not won even a single match yet. SRH surely needs some weight in the middle, which is missing for 2 matches in a row, and both the times they ended up chasing in Chennai, which is looking like a different pitch as the ball gets old, especially in the second innings. SRH found it the hard way about the pitch in their last match against RCB. And MI has been in the other side of a similar match in Chennai where they were able to restrict KKR from scoring 30 of their last 30 balls to win the match by handsome 10 runs. MI will be in high spirits after such a win. Let's talk about head to head. There is nothing to choose from as both the teams have won 8 matches each of their total 6 matches of this total 16 matches in the last 3 years. They have equal 3 wins each. Even last year SRH was able to win a match against MI in an extremely comprehensive way, but MI did get back in the same year, but still. Average runs scored by MI against SRH is 145 and there's nothing to choose from because SRH is 147. In neutral venues, SRH has a slight edge by winning 3 victories to just 1 for MI. David Warner leads the most runs by a batsman against MI and SRH as Warner has hit 488 runs against MI. Pollard has hit the most for MI against SRH, which is 383 runs. Bhuvneshwar Kumar has taken the most wickets with 16 wickets. Bumrah for MI has 12 wickets. Let's talk about the ground. In MA Chidambaram Stadium, it's quite clear now that you need to wait for bad balls to capitalize, and if you can post 160 to 170 odd, you are set. Both the teams will surely try to capitalize on the first 6 overs. Spinners will be deadly in this pitch, especially in the later part of the innings, and batting first will be the way to go. Let's talk about the matchups. Rohit Sharma versus Sandeep Sharma. Don't know if Sandeep Sharma will play, but hopefully he plays after seeing the stat, because Rohit Sharma has hit just 26 runs of the 33 balls he has faced of Sandeep Sharma, and he has lost his wicket to him 3 times. Let's talk about Manish Pandey versus Hardik Pandya. Manish Pandey in the 17 balls from Hardik has hit 22 runs and lost his wicket to him twice. Now let's get on with the next segment, change of plan. This is a new segment where we talk about a few changes in the playing 11 that we can expect or we wish that the teams do. For SRH, we would surely want Jadhav to be picked in the 11. He can also be a great asset in Chennai pitch with the ball. For MI, Jansen till now hasn't been much of an impact, and MI can benefit more from Nathan Coulter-Nile or maybe Jayant Yadav, who will be an asset in the Chennai surface. Let's talk about SC's match prediction. So who will win? Data wise, it's just too close a match. It's anyone's game. So we expect the team batting first to have an advantage. So the toss will be crucial. But if you ask our instincts, then we have to say MI, for they have a momentum. But Warner will be coming after MI for sure. SE's Fantasy 11. We have picked Decock, Bairstow, David Warner, who will also be the captain, Rohit Sharma, Ishan Kishan, and then we have selected the all-rounders, Jason Holder, Krunal Pandya if MI bats first, and Trent Bolt if MI bowls first. Both of them, whoever the selection is, will be the vice captain. Rashid Khan, we are going with Rahul Chahar, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. This is what analysis and data has led us to. Now let's get on with more data. In the next segment, what the other experts are predicting. Do know that we are not astrologers or magicians to know the future and exactly predict it. So please don't go select a team blindly after seeing one analysis. Check out other analysis and go with your intuition and plan your 11. Don't forget our live weekly review and a celeb interview, which is going to be coming your way today at 6 p.m. Bye.